right, good evening, everyone. This is Daniel from Tradecraft 360, and I thought to detail some trades I put on yesterday. And that trade action was more consistent with risk on, risk off, so I thought I'd dive right into that. I'll try to keep this video as brief as possible. So most of what you can find is in the analysis section. So yesterday's trade action sort of evolved as equities down, treasuries up, gold up, US dollar up, and with energy up and utilities up as well. So in terms of risk on, risk off, on a truly horrific day, and you can use the advanced decline line, breadth, whatever metric you want. And usually you'll find that there are very few safe havens. The US dollar and treasuries tend to be the only assets that are up on days like that. So yesterday was not that type of day. So utilities and gold and energy caught a bid. Energy in particular due to geopolitical reasons. So I tend not to focus in on causality so much as I focus in on patterns and recognizing risk on, risk off, sector rotation, and then also trading around positions. So you'll find that I'm more of a not a technical type of trader, but more pattern recognition type of trader, as well as a position type of trader. And so yesterday fell into sort of that dynamic of risk on, risk off, and I took advantage of it fairly quickly. So let's detail those positions. So I sold the TLT October 4th 101 call, as you can see here, 80 contracts. Sold that for 9 cents, and obviously based on today's price action, that turned out to be an instant winner. And not much more to be said there. So recognizing risk on, risk off, recognizing the potential for TLT to reverse once fear dissipated. That's pretty much what happened. Did I know that TLT would decline as much today as it did? Nope, I did not, but it didn't matter. So I played the pattern, and I was ready also for it to not go in my favor. Always having a backup plan, but in this case it worked out rather quickly. So that's more than 700 US right there, easily done. So let's move on to the next. So I elected to sell the GLD, so gold 250 strike for this Friday, and that netted me 35 cents in premium, 10 contracts, so 350 US. And I elected to use gold. I actually do own the underlying as part of a separate trade that I haven't detailed just yet, but this more fell in keeping with a covered call, and I took advantage of the opportunity to sell a covered call, and it's pretty much what I did. So if worst case scenario, it breaches the 250 call, I'll get called away. And I don't know if that's going to happen, but it could or might not. But pretty happy with this trade, and we will see how it evolves into Thursday and Friday, and we'll go from there. And then the final trade that I put on was on XLE. So I put on a bear put spread, and what I did was 50 contracts of the 88.5 put, so purchased, and then I sold the 87.50 put for 29 cents. And then to finance this trade, I sold the 92 call, and then on today's trading day, I sold the 87 put. So net, this trade was established with a credit of 200. So if nothing happens, if things stand as they are right now, then I'll have picked up 200 US. Obviously, it's to my benefit if XLE goes down. That remains to be seen. Energy did catch a bid today, but faded towards the end of the day, so it's hard to say exactly how the remainder of the week is going to play out. Maybe there's further volatility. If the 92 call does get breached, I should say, then, and I do, looks likely I'm going to get called away, then I'll likely put a protective call on that, and I'll go net short on XLE and play that side of it. So that's my plan for XLE. So those are the three trades. I would have put this video out yesterday, but I ran out of time. So we're sort of analyzing yesterday's price action today. I do apologize for that. That said, we'll see how it all goes. That's pretty much what I'll have to say on these trades. It's just, again, recognizing the patterns and trying to secure the best trade location, trying to be non-emotional, objective, and usually these things will work out in your favor. So with that said, I'll let everyone go. You can read the analysis in the description section on YouTube, and let me know what you think, and we'll take it from there. Have a great evening, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.